Welcome to the video class, children. Good morning to all. How are you all? I hope you all doing great. Isn't it, children? Yes. This is our English class for grade 1. This is our English class for grade 1. In this class, we are going to recall Unit 6 poem If I Were an Apple. If I Were an Apple. This poem is about a little boy. Yes. This poem is about a little boy. Okay, children. He thinks if he were an apple, he would not like to keep swinging on the tree. According to him, it would be of no use. Further, he wishes that he would like to fall down on a nice boy and he would say, "Eat me, my boy." Okay, children. I hope you all understood. Isn't it? Shall we move to our classwork? Yes. First one, new words. Apple. 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 Second one, drop. 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 Third one, nice. 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 Fourth one, stay. 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 Fifth one, joy. 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 Okay, children. Apple, drop, nice, stay, joy. And then synonyms. Link, join. Link, link. Join, join. Feeble, weak. Feeble, feeble, weak. Weak, weak. Dense, thick. Dense, dense. Thick, thick. Pardon, forgive. Pardon, pardon, forgive. Forgive, forgive. Clever, smart. Clever, clever, smart. Smart, smart. Okay, children. Link, join. Feeble, weak. Dense, thick. Pardon, forgive. Clever, smart. And then we move to antonyms. Major, minor. Major, major. Minor, minor. Messy, neat. Messy, messy. Neat, neat. Gain, loose. Gain, gain. Lose, loose. Idle, busy. Idle, idle. Busy, busy. Tough, easy. Tough, tough, easy. Easy. Okay, children. Major, minor. Messy, neat. Gain, loose. Idle, busy. Tough, easy. Okay, and then answer the following. First one, who is the speaker of this poem? Who is the speaker? Speaker, speaker of this poem. Poem, poem. Here the answer is the boy is the speaker of this poem. The boy. Boy is the speaker. Speaker, speaker of this poem. Poem, poem. Okay, children. The boy is the speaker of this poem. And then second one. What will the boy do if he were an apple? Here the answer. The boy said He will drop down from the tree if he were an apple. What will the boy, B-O-Y, boy, do if he were an apple? A-P-P-L-E, apple. The boy, B-O-Y, boy, said, S-A-I-D, said, he will drop, D-R-O-P, drop, down, D-O-W-N, down, from the tree, T-R-E-E, tree, if he were an apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Okay, children. The boy said he will drop down from the tree if he were an apple. And then third one. What are the benefits of apple? What are the benefits? BENEFITS, benefits of apple. APPLE, apple. Here the answer is apples are nutritious. Apples are nutritious. It is good for heart. It is rich in vitamin C. Okay, children. Apples. APPLES. Apples are nutritious. 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 It is good. GOOD. Good for heart. 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 It is rich. RICH. Rich in vitamin. VITAMIN. Vitamin C. Okay, children. Apples are nutritious. It is good for heart. It is rich in vitamin C. Okay, children. And then fourth one. Which is known as apple bowl of India? Which is known, KNOWN, known as APPLE, apple bowl, BOWL, bowl of India, INDIA, India. Here the answer is Kotkark in Himachal Pradesh is known as apple bowl of India. Kotkark, KOTGARH, Kotkark in Himachal, HIMACHAL, Himachal Pradesh, 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 is known as apple, APPLE, apple bowl, BOWL, bowl of India, INDIA, India. Okay, children, here the answer is Kotkar in Himachal Pradesh is known as apple bowl of India. And then I hope you understand this poem as well as the classwork, isn't it, children? Yes. We will meet our next class. Thank you all.